A day in my life as a first-timer hiking Mount Pulag, the playground of the gods. Teka, simulan natin sa umpisa. Around 11:30 p.m. of February 27, we waited at Jollibee Cordon for our team kasi galing pa sila ng Tuguegarao. Then we arrived at the ENR, the Mount Pulag checkpoint for the orientation. Around 5:50 a.m., nagpa-medical na din kami dito for 150 pesos. Dito na din kami kumain ng breakfast while waiting for our turn sa orientation. This cost around 200 pesos. By the way, our organizer for this is Travel with Yel. Around 8:30 a.m., orientation na namin. You can't go to Mount Pulag without going through the orientation kasi need mo magpa-stamp sa kamay, and they are really strict now for the head count. Kasi as in, during weekends, mas madami pala ang umakyat, unlike weekdays. Then after that, around 11 a.m., nakarating kami sa homestay. But we need to wait until 2 p.m. para makapag-check-in. So we had our lunch for 190 pesos. And yes, may broccoli ulit ito. Di ito included sa tour payment ha. And then here it is. This is where we will spend the night. Super comfy and clean yung rooms and CR. We have a lot of time kaya nag-stroll na lang din kami around the homestay and waited for our dinner. So yung dinner included na sa payment. Yung coordinators din namin yung nagluto. We are satisfied sa dinner ha. Tignan mo naman yan. Kompleto, di ba? After dinner, we decided to rest na kasi 1 a.m. ang call time namin for the hike. Before that, outfit check. I have leggings inside, then this cargo pants. For my top naman, I have sando, and then ito na yung base layer ko before putting the windbreaker. At 12:30 a.m., gising na kami to prepare ourselves. Light breakfast lang. May saging at soup. Inclusive din ito sa payment. And then, 1:30 a.m., we started our hike. Of course, provided din ng aming tour guide. Super lamig and medyo masakit sa mata yung hangin. So, do not forget magdala ng clear eye protector. Watch for part 2. Bye!